Nautyca, Charlie, Aquaba. Now it's saying, you don't want me to say, Obia catch up and said the old your looks and things, and young guy like this. I am not just saying now my friend you almost start there, but what's your new way on? One trouble case openi bi pa bi nyum bi near there who say I mean such a young guy like you can I about son I so be corner this star near there.
I feel say me ankasa me high life a lover from the one because before no na me rap cry. Yeah, but say me pia bontene koye me rapper say me be fear na fe a high life na me tie. So I feel say okay, then if this is where the passion is at, why don't I just go that direction? Until mommy be slow down with the rap.
Oh wow, that's nice. That's nice. So for how long have you been doing this?
For like from 2017, and maybe I say I really want to do this. Like a real business.
Yeah. Now coming into the industry, now one who amount for money they said the name of corner there. Now we show so strength in star now the banner. Now we they met me up penetrating the before. I mean not to say.
I feel say a young party. And Obibia Penyumpa, just bite, they didn't work when you are out, maybe I'll try to you want to vibe. But maybe when you are alone and you want to think, you know the kind of songs that you go for. And to me, I always believe in good music, and I felt say I had that power. And for me being able to do that kind of songs, I always feel say I'll penetrate.
Now let's talk about this song in particular. Barney saying now put here because it looks like only a collaboration on this. Just so perfect, fantastic.
And wow. Me share kwabwa through Posiji. Me producer Sky Beat and a boy this beat and your boy, and I felt say BT the mood because it has all the high life he feel on the womb. So I thought say before I'll put anything on, my fa beat in Koposiho. I mentioned say boss BT na Sky abo, but I feel say this beat it needs somebody you will never regret it. And also okay, continue butcher and Jonanka Sotia no see. I think say Akwabwa will fit on this beat. And your friend Akwabwa and Akwabwa came that same day, and he started this whole song, and I joined him.
Wow. But so obviously I didn't one outro.
Yeah, I'm mature.
And some now walk on you know.
The
Obia related to that's
true.
Seriously. Now baby I'm the past unyasika.
Now we diamond.
All right. And you have another song with Sakode. And you know some kakra and also a ban saying
social media. Okay, me one evening Pussy this a beat and send me. So when he sent me the beat, I felt the kind of vibe now me from the beat, I felt say a very a commercial. I will need somebody who say Barney said this kind of commercial songs he's everywhere. And then say sack so you be on through to tell the ladies whatever he wants to. Because sack never can wash that contest or no kind, so no kind. So so I felt say okay, and send me on more. Mean can't because had a pay channel more, but I feel say sack do with me I can more because sack do try the background no my. So I felt say with that already say we just sack to this song because social media it tells a lot.
But how come I say now to say things no Charlie, the way I'm for lifestyle these days and that on social media youth they say real. It's been happening but I saw be that fan I dream cause I say
real
who decided is always
what pushed me pan say sometime being a miss you.
Say what happened to you?
Sometimes I miss you. Boy to yache because I say girl be America she and be say boy to so I feel say boy to yasa and see there mama so men copy there and kwan ho It's me nyabutre call me snap so follow 1 or 2 girls. And I mean, oh, this girl there, because I did change we na there Sabiano, a car different types, so I felt so this girl there and then me show them because so me and Casamine started to train come and bookie date. So me call dinner and I maybe pack and na this boat or
those online taxis.
So I called the girl and said, so my packet was the other side in a white country. But no see or she's there already. And I'm sure I'm fan no see a car be sitting anymore car anymore. And I'm like car and she mentioned the color and I be see okay. So I got down. And also, I see me as a bit to fair neka. Oh, so I was like, hey, and the assembly and cranny.
Oh, claim we had time on social media.
Fair, you saw to you. There 12 CDs. I say, oh, there was a bit as a bit to fair. And who said, oh, my dear,
such as a lifestyle, no believe you on social media, and quite different crowd from
different crowd.
Okay, let's check out that song now. You have to answer, yeah. Right, so this is social media. Nautyca featuring Sako there.
Nautyca, me I know this girl. Way back for Kotesu. That's like you where we dey play before social media take him market. She the form big girl. Nowadays she the form big girl. But now we need baby dance so just Sako now we take him pictures. Ah well, social media yo and no socialite, that's what to come check dynamite. Social media, you and your frontier class safari, and super beauty, dear, you could social media, you and see, I'm here with my boo. Sumoji than any social media. Sergeant the man who shall have Winyayo. Lucy her name na Diza. Sweet system Mona Lisa. I want your Facebook user. Good delicious teaser. I said my Canada no worry girl look up on our pizza. Premium or the Jantra. Man can yama no cococha. Sembe body social media yo. Enwa le socialite. That's what to Bob J Dynamite. Social media yo. Enwa le your frontier kwa safari and super beauty day you could social media yo. Enwa le see I'm here with my what else too much than any. Or him, maybe a woman met a crying, who he and papa won't no crack it. And social media so they would let it go for pet. It is a rapping in Michao, baby, I can sack. Who said they be the opposite the picture I want to or the burial, or the gossip of him said that he be with this to make them message. Me in a big because I was suit if you kuma. Yes, in the bush, is Swimuna. He said, one of them I met to kill Sumo Musuma, but Samo, Cassani don't pay. Why they are just so the Kukunti? Yes, what Instagram no bossy. Social media, you and one, even cool. Socialite. That's what to bump chain dynamite. Social media, you and one, even cool. No frontier safari. Let's super beauty, dear. Social media, you and one, even cool. See, I'm here with my boo.
So that's our social media, which features Sako there. Wow. Enti afutu na wo nyumu no na. Yemfa boy brana. Edu ba bia na social media hype no chale too much of you really too be sure because but oh, sir, if you okay. All right, so and then you have another one.
Yeah, that's a new one.
The new one with coded. Okay, yendi say nyum no hon komo kakra. What is it about that song?
That song and the title Danny.
Danny.
Yeah.
On Danny Day.
Be a crowd be you feel so you can turn it but nyum nankasa your channel no to say ebia we share o dofo na mo pia bontene akọ nonom kakra akọ jimu ni na afi ma befie na afi ya kwakodum paso agro nti eno no na so from the top to the down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You see, and you know, I say, what the then it makes you wanna dance. It makes you wanna dance, but hold on, I said no can not maintain into Hey, boys bad. Oh, okay. All right. So I mean, how was it like working with Coded? Because for some time now, ever since our 4x4 the IE me no more so dem me no one kata me say baby adu ade say me juma me enti I say on shut down I mean what approach to do now in the first place about say now decided to put him on this one.
Okay. Before we would drop anything on this beat, na me guy be na wo. So yeah, born you na pay who to put on the song, and I made a suggestion. My team also did, but no ka Coded, and we all felt say Coded has this unique voice. If it's on the song, makes it sound some way. Until we all felt okay, let's go in for Coded, and Coded so will be he likes. You know the back and now we feel
any Instagram by any bootylicious
so we felt say okay he's the right man for that project.
Oh wow that's nice. Okay, it's a from me this is the new one from Nautyca, and this one features Coded of 4x4 fame now in T said and also air qualified. I actually love this one, but I know and as what the pen makes you want to move to it. Yeah.
Distinct, but the many then you mistake. I'm if I got to display. They're gonna make what you just a lipstick. Many then distinct, but the many then you mistake. I'm if I got to display. They're gonna make what you just a lipstick. Mami nani. So go nani. So me who nani. And I do the who nani. Mami nani. Roger is nani. So and I think you with a money. Go. I don't be pop no more be me. Benso, my girl is up. But the seven you must party me. You only win no boss. And then it's up to journey Jeffy. And I can't tell you the boom. Oh, you my wife and the baby coming to Master Keke. If you man know dead. Oh, yeah, Mamma was ever. Come on, my head. Seme konumba biemi o ote masem so atiemi o se ka me no one kenyeni o against you when you mami nani so go na me nani so me mu wana manane na think you be una mane mami nani so go na me nani what so me mu wana manane and I think you be una mane come the butter be far time man like Coded, South bro. Tell my nigga Jia too, that you can be bad guy. You coulda get another girl. You coulda get another girl alive. Jamming. We never stop with the jamming. Hey, we never stop with the jamming. Hey, jamming. We never stop with the jamming. Nani. So go nani. So me wanna manale. And I need you be una mane. Mami nani. So go nani. So me wanna manale. And I need you be una mane. So misa, na yetu abasa kum. Uja boda bodi da baba boom. So Bensa, Naeto Abasako. Uya Buddha Buddha, Baba Buddha.
And then I know Matthias. Okay, so Mamin Danny. Oh, say who are not manane. And you made it. Oh my goodness. Nice one. Danny. Nautyca featuring coded. Nice one. All right, so now that's Charlie. I said, only no. Minim say a strategy be out that adapt to you because the one with Akwabwa, I mean, say Charlie, this is it, and the one with Kinsak to that social media and also now so, and this one too, perfect, Charlie. BBR the year near there. So going forward, dear Pana. As a Ghana for Shen Grandpa said, Nautyca the Barbecan industry.
Who said? For some time now, no make I said yeah, high life. You know, Jenna Kasana, the boys or the guys now, ya banner in Penifone Jama to push it. You know, I feel say they are all leaving it, you know, to follow other stuff. But I feel say there, and we cannot just leave it until, you know, some time to come. No, this is what I'm working on, just to put the high life back on the map. You know, we will see, say, you know, a high life artist and a band to shows near there. I really want to see that happening back. I'm here for that.
Wow. I can see the high life, no, when you're bro.
Of course.
But I only push because I mean. Yeah, high life. What I say, as I say, you high life. I mean, I'm always happy when I see, you know, young ones now. When he brace on by high life, you know, it's good. You know, you don't want we day. They always go out there, push behind him. Where be I bet me they are supporting piano. I mean, wait me account on us. We will be there to support. All right. So if I'm out for someone who what's happening around Nautyca near there, how do they, you know, get to?
Okay. My Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter, that is the places that you can, you know whatever that is happening. And my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, Nautyca GH. Nautyca, no, NAUTYCA GH on all, you know, my pages.
All platforms now, Nautyca GH now. Oh, okay. All right. That's cool. Charlie, I bet that was so best try and there. If there's any other IBA person or catch Ghana for Muti na sorry so.
Me kase me do bibiase o pushy Nautyca and Nautyca and whoever that is supporting the music industry, you know, because men kwa minti minye. So I feel say we all need the support from the people. So me kase we need your support. So mu niwa we can't do this. Until me say mu say mu supporting na mu pushing into the top and to the upcoming artists ne so. I always say this because of the DMs na I mean, you know, I feel so many of them know they want to just come out there and don't want to go through the right path. No, until no make catch say be any and to boasie any ejuma. Then just have patience and work hard and pray to na be fine. See medo be ase.
Right, the answer that was a pass or pass it through in there.
My girl on the up. Go to 7 you must party me. You only win no boss. And then it's about to change.
I mean Danny.
Can't tell it the boom.
So you want a man and I dread you big no money.
My second. Over my no oh yeah ba. Mama on step. Come on me head. Say me go number baby. Put my Sam so at me. Say come no